Hello guys, welcome to IT Expert channel. Kindly subscribe the channels. Today we are going to learn hacking any kind of operating system remotely. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, kindly click to subscribe button. First of all, you need one program to download from Google by name of Qser. By name of Qser, kindly download this program, and we can use this program for our purpose. After downloading and extract that program and come on, there is a file. The file name is by name of qser.xea. Run this administratively. Run it as administrator and kindly wait for 90 seconds. After 90 seconds, you can click to accept button. There is the totals our software file. The file part we can just close, and the setting part. In the setting part, there is a port to listen on. This is very important part, and you can insert a port number does not reserve it. I mean, if you insert the 8080, that's for HTTP. 21, that's for FTP. Don't avoid entering the port number that's reserved for something, because it's create a conflict. You can insert a port that's not use it. Like we will use this port 4782, and the password is 1234. This is okay. Make it save. And still it's not starting, just we are explaining and then we will test it. Come on in builder. In builder option, tag the client tag. In client tag you can insert the one name, any name that you can. We are going to insert like telephone, or we can insert like the name like your province, any kind. Like I'm going to telephone is okay. Mutex. This part don't bring any changes to mutex until you know about the operating system process. If you don't know about them, don't change it because it's a unique number. Come on in connection part. In connection part, mm, in connection port IP host name. It means the host that you want to connect with them is typed as IPs. I have already added one host, and I'm going to add my computer my computer IP address with this, and the port number is this, and password 1234 is okay. If we add, yes, it's added. Come on, we are going to installation setting. In installation setting, this very important part also, the install client. It means this application should be installed in which part of the client parts. I mean, if it's used to user application, used to program files, used to system files. If this program is saved in a file program, maybe they find it and say what program is it and what is use it, and if the person will be so expert, then they can find no, this is another thing, and they may delete your files. It's better to select the system part, because maybe they will not checking the system. A system file is the file which operating system is saved in here, and you can write one name for it. I'm going to write it like drivers, or USB driver, anything that the user should confuse about it, like driver. Installing name, which should be the installer name, driver, USB driver, like this, USB driver, USB driver. And this auto start run client when the computer is start. It means when a client restarted their operating system after the when it's started again, it should automatically start our program also. This is very good. And assembling information is the information that you need to add. Example, the information which is like this in any kind of folder, right click properties, and they can and view what is it. And like example, this program, you're going to properties it and checking what is the definition information. All the information which is required here, you can enter one information that user should confuse about this information, like driver, USB, tracker, description, one thing, and anything that you want. The version product should be 5.56.1, 5.46.2, like this. And change assembly. If you have any icon in your PC, you can browse from here and choose one icon for your PC. Otherwise, go to belt. We will select one folder. In this folder we will name it one thing, testing hacking, and save this file. Yes, save it. Building. When the save confirmed, only install the computer where you have permission to do it. Yes, it's save it in this part. It's already save it. You can cancel it. No. Yes, come on. We will go back to open it. Yes, this is our file. In this, now there is starting. We are going to start the listening. Yes, it's starting the listening. Yes, it's detecting our operating our system. If the remotely this application is run, right click start run. It will come in this part of your PC. In through here you can right click for your remote. Through here you can right click and you can update with connection, update, reconnect, disconnect, and install this application, and also with the file system information of the operating system and etc, all the things which is here. Right click this information, and also task manager, remote shell, and etc, all the action, shutdown, restart, standby, all the action that is you can do by this. One important thing is you can also do the file management. Example, if it have 3 drive, you can go in each of its drive and checking their file, and with this you can download the file which you want to download it. And that's it for the thank you so much to watch this video. Kindly subscribe the YouTube channel, and also don't forget, if you have any kind of question, you can write in the comment. If you have any idea, also please write in the comment. I will create another video to solve, or I will create another video on your idea. Thank you so much.